Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the CapCut template from TikTok. So as you know, TikTok and CapCut is an integrated apps where they are integrated or linked into each other, where you can upload TikTok video from CapCut directly. But here on this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use CapCut templates on TikTok. So let's just start by opening the TikTok app. So actually on the FY, the For You page in here, when you scroll down, there will be a video with CapCut template on it, and you can just click on the button to use the template. So let's just, okay, like this one's right here. So this person's right here is using a template from CapCut. So if you want to use it, you can just easily click on this button, CapCut, try this template. Okay, after you click on that button, you'll see this page, TikTok and CapCut. So what you need to do is just tap on use template in CapCut button, and you'll be directed to the CapCut app. Here the templates will be open, so you'll see the templates and how many footage that you need to use the template. Now you can just click on the use template and fill in with your own footage or photo. Okay, so that's the first method. You can find it on the For You page on TikTok, or you can also search for it manually by clicking on this magnifying icon at the top right corner. And on the search bar, you can just type in the template that you want. For example, I'm going to just find vlog CapCut template. Okay, so you can see there are lots of options in here, and again with this button you can just choose which one that you want for the template. For example, I'm going to use this one. You can tap on CapCut, try this template, and again click on use template in CapCut. Now the template will be opening, and okay, there's an ad. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so this is the template that I choose. You can click on the use template and choose your photos or videos that you want to edit. Okay, now so that's how you can use CapCut template from TikTok app. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and also click on the subscribe button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.